Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I've recently been focused a lot in playing basketball, I got some tournaments with my friends. I needed to get a new pair of sneakers that were gonna be supportive and they're gonna be like really good in stability in the stability section. And this is where I got this Zoom Freak by Nikes. This is the third version of it. And some of the few things that I like about this shoe is how comfortable it is. It's like walking in two sides of pillows. It has a really nice traction. So I was playing with them the other day, and I would feel like I could go and change directions, jump really good, being comfortable. I'm a center position, so I have to do a lot of traction and pivoting movements. And the fact that with this sneakers that they give you a good lockdown in your feet, I have a high arch, so a lot of sneakers will have a lot hard time for me to do a lockdown. And the good thing is that on the top, besides just the laces, it has a strap that once you lace them up, you put the strap, you set the strap on, and it feels like you're just locked down and you're gonna be there well sitting tight. The sole has a multi-direction pattern that actually works awesome, and it's a good one to do. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.